This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the bonnet release lever inside the vehicle. Pull the bonnet safety latch in the direction of the arrow, then raise the bonnet upwards. The pollen filter is located on the bulkhead in front of the windscreen. Pull up the rubber weather strip, then lift the plastic lid from the air inlet plenum chamber cover. Release the necessary retaining tabs and lift out the pollen filter element. Note the airflow arrows on the element. Making sure that the airflow arrows are pointing in the right direction, fit the new element into the housing and secure the retaining tabs. Refit the plastic lid to the bulkhead, seating it evenly. Then secure the rubber weather strip along the front of the lid.